I know we've done chia seed puddings before, but this one's super easy. You can toss it together at night before you go to bed. Wake up in the morning to a great breakfast. Chia seeds are loaded with fiber, protein, they have omegas for you, and most importantly, calcium for strong bones. So let's get your chia seeds going. So this is gonna be a vanilla chia pudding. Super easy. We're gonna take my favorite milk, which is this barista blend, and it is nice and creamy. It's a little heavier than your typical almond milk, and we're going to put in 2 cups into our bowl. Now that we have 2 cups of almond milk into our bowl, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Give it a quick stir, and then we're going to add 1/2 of a cup of chia seeds. Just whisk it around until all the chia seeds are blended. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take a saran wrap, and we're going to place it on top of our chia seed bowl. Nice and tight, seal it down, and we're going to put this in the fridge for the night. So now it's set up overnight, and we've got the saran wrap. We're going to just take that off and set it aside. Look at that. It's like a gel now. This is perfect. It's ready to serve. So we're going to take a dish, and we're going to dish some up into our bowl. See, you give it a stir and you have a nice gel. Just dish some up into your bowl. This is a great breakfast. And we're gonna top this with some raspberries. Great fiber in our raspberries. If you want, you can top it with a little bit of almond milk as well, but this is just fine the way it is. Even put some nuts in it, cashews or almonds, be delicious. Let's try this. Yum, it's delicious. An almond chia seed pudding that's got vanilla and some raspberries on top. This is gonna be delicious. Let's try this. It's really gentle. If you wanna add a sweetener, that's fine, like some agave or even some maple syrup, that's fine, but it's really nice to start your morning. You try it.